Have you ever wondered if you could just use an image to create geometry in COMSOL? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to import an image and turn it into geometry for your simulations. It's quick, powerful, and saves tons of time. Let's dive in. In this video series, I want to explain how to simulate a high voltage ceramic insulator string. This is a cap and pin ceramic insulator, and this is a typical profile of this insulator. I have just found it from internet, and I want to turn it to a geometry for further steps of simulation. This is my original image. First, we need to modify this image a little bit. For example, we simulating the 2D axis symmetry, therefore we only need half of this figure, therefore it should go something like this. Moreover, we should remove these arrows and the writings, names, and also the hatch part. I have used the paint, the simple software, to make this figure to this one. This is a much better figure for import into the software. Now we should migrate to COMSOL. Okay, after opening the software through the wizard, we want to activate the image to curve add-in in the software. Go to the developer tab, here click on add-in libraries. Under the COMSOL Multiphysics, you can find image to curve. Just right click on it and import add-in. Now you can access this add-in from developer menu. Under the add-ins, click on image to curve. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, I click on browse, select my figure. The figure has been loaded to the software. There are various filters that can be applied on the image to make it better recognizable for the COMSOL. I suggest that you try one by one through try and error to see which one works better for you. I just select none. I set the curve type to solid. It converts the closed boundaries to solid domains. Okay, I do not change anything else, but you can just play with that to see their effects. Finally, I click on curve. Okay, this is our geometry that has been imported in the COMSOL Multiphysics. If you have a nice image that has well-defined lines and also high quality, the COMSOL converts the image to a very well-prepared geometry. In this case, my image was not such, so I need to do further things on it. I want to draw my geometry using this pattern, using these lines to draw my geometry. First, you should set the scaling factor of the image. The geometry is now set to centimeter, and from here to here about 0.3 centimeter, but that's not true. It should be about 20 centimeter. I have calculated roughly the scaling factor, and it should be 0.5. Build selected and zoom extends. Now it's okay. Start from 2 centimeter to 22 centimeter. I personally also prefer the geometry to lie in the right side of the axial symmetry line. Therefore, under geometry, I select move. Under the transforms, I select all of my object. Now it has been moved near the symmetry line. I also use a mirror option to mirror my subject. The reflection line has been set automatically to the axial symmetry line. I just build selected. Now everything is ready. To draw lines that specify this geometry, I come here on the sketch and select polygon. I just zoom in and try to use this pattern to draw polygons. For example, I start from here, and you should do it for all of your boundaries. I just show one of them, and then I jump into the final result. It's just up to you how much time you want to spend on it. I finish polygon right now, and do this for all the rest of boundaries. I have done it previously. All of the polygons are in place. Now I select the 4 items and disable them. Click on this and build selected. Now you can see that I have a very well defined boundaries in the geometry. Then you should use conversion to solid. Come here under conversion, convert to solid. I have explained it in my previous videos. Select all of it and build selected. You have now your geometry. If you come here, select domains, you can see that every domain is defined separately. This is very good. If you want to get rid of these sharp points, you should use fillet. I have set fillets on these points at one level and also a fillet another level with a bigger radius. If I apply, you can see that you have very smooth curves, and this is very important for a simulation. You should not have sharp point in the electric field calculation. Now everything is ready. I click on form union. And that's it. Your image is now a full-on COMSOL geometry. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, hit that subscribe button. It's one tiny click for you, but a massive boost for this channel. Got questions or ideas for future tutorials? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.